Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn Islam with fun. Bismillah, let's start.
Mommy, what are rak'ahs?
Great question. Rak'ahs are the prayer units in Salah.
Prayer units?
Some prayers have more rak'ah and some have less. Let's learn them together. Fajr Prayer has 2 Sunnah and 2 Farz.
What is Farz?
Farz means very important prayer. If we pray the Fajr Prayer, our Salah is complete. Dhuhr has 4 Sunnah plus 4 Farz plus 2 Sunnah. Asr has 4 Farz. Dhuhr and Asr are 4 Farz. Maghrib has 3 and Isha has 4. 4 Farz and an Witr prayer.
That's a lot to remember.
Don't worry, you will learn slowly.
Mommy, do we have to pray Sunnah and Witr too?
Fajr prayer is the most important part.
Extra?
Yes, you get extra rewards.
Oh, I want extra rewards.
Salah is very important and his children should learn prayer when they are young.
I want to become a good Muslim.
Me too.
Allah loves children who try their best. See you next time on Deen Toons Kids!